Hi, I'm Steve Lorimer. I'm a registered professional forester. Forest professionals are charged with managing all the values of the forest, and that includes the fish and wildlife, the water, recreation. So we need to look at the whole forest and all of the values that are incorporated as we look at plans for managing the forest. The forest has been harvested at a high rate, and because of that, there are concerns now that there will be insufficient timber supply for some of the operations that exist there. At this point in time, there are concerns that some of the areas that have been set aside for recreation, watershed management, and things like that might be compromised because of the desire to maintain harvest levels. There are some good reasons why we wish to leave parts of the forest intact. These include managing for fish and wildlife habitat, managing for water and watershed protection, managing for recreation values. Forest habitat is important for certain species like deer because they need some areas where they can be protected in the winter. It's called winter range. So some areas have been set aside for that. Other areas are set aside for threatened bird species for nesting habitat. Water quality is one of the benefits of the forest. Water is important for fish, water is important for human consumption and for irrigation purposes, and so we want to make sure that we look after the water that comes out of the forest. For recreation, there are areas that are important to us. The public uses the forest for camping, hiking, getting to fishing areas. These areas have been set aside to maintain overall forest health on a long-term sustainable basis so that future generations can continue to enjoy the benefits of the forests of British Columbia. The ABCFP is interested in having some consultations on proposed significant changes to the way we manage our forests. We're interested in having communities involved, we're interested in having forest professionals involved, and we're also interested in having other experts involved in those discussions before decisions are made. For more information, you can contact us at www.abcfp.ca.